with Try It Like It Created, and today I'm working with Kokorosa on a post for Easter themed, and this is what I got in my order. So to begin with, I got a set of stamps, and hopefully, let's see if I can turn this over, maybe that will help. Happy Easter, I'm excited, some bunny loves you, hello spring, I'm so extra, I think that's what it says. Peel and stick. There's a little stamp under here that says pull. Bunny and kisses and Easter wishes. And the one I'm so excited about is this to and from. I've never had a to and from, and I make a lot of gift tags, and so this will come in really handy. If you're looking for this stamp set, it's an Easter set. It's called Easter Words, and it retails for $3.99. The next thing is this set of word dies, and it says hope, believe, and dream. And they have all these swirly little bits coming off of it, but if you do not like those, or if you want to make your die cut go further, you can always die cut and then trim off the parts that you don't want from the word. And this sells for $7.99, and you just need to search for hope, dream, and believe, and this die will come up. The next one here, these are like bubbles, but also flowers. So depending on how you cut it, how you fill it in, the piece, you're going to get the circles, but you're also going to get this large background in a solid color. So this one is called Bubbles Background, and it was $8.99. So this one has a lot of flexibility, and I think will work more than just for Easter. I mean, like I said, you could make flowers, depending on how you color the pieces. Lots of opportunities here for this one. And then the last die I got is this, and hopefully you can tell here there's a couple of butterflies and some flowers. Here's another butterfly. So once again, you could die cut this out as one large panel. You could put some color behind it, or color your paper first, do some ink blending, and then cut out this. Lots of different options here for this. If you want, you could even then use your individual flower pieces. You could cut those apart if interested. So lots of choices here. You could even use just part of it, to make a bookmark or a tag or something like that. And this one is butterfly and flowers. And I think it helped to have the words background and I think board. Yeah, background board to find this die, and it is $8.99. So that is what I got for my Easter theme package from Kokorosa, and they provided all of these to me. I got to pick out what I wanted to use from their site for the Easter theme, and now I am going to use them to make some cards and post those videos as well. So stay tuned if you want to see how I transform these pieces into Easter cards.